The tainted peanut butter scandal of 2009 rocked the food industry and raised significant concerns about food safety and regulatory oversight. At the center of the controversy was the Peanut Corporation of America, a company responsible for producing peanut butter and other peanut products. The scandal unfolded when it was discovered that PCA's products were contaminated with salmonella, a bacteria known to cause severe illness in humans. Before we dive into the details of the tainted peanut butter scandal, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. The consequences of the tainted peanut butter were devastating. The contaminated products reached consumers across the United States, leading to a widespread outbreak of salmonella infections. Hundreds of people fell ill, and tragically, several deaths were attributed to the consumption of tainted peanut butter. The outbreak affected not only individuals but also caused economic damage to the peanut industry, with recalls, lawsuits, and loss of consumer trust. Investigations into the PCA's practices revealed shocking findings. The company had engaged in unethical and unsanitary practices, including knowingly shipping peanut butter that had tested positive for salmonella. It was discovered that PCA had operated with a blatant disregard for food safety standards, with evidence of inadequate processing, poor hygiene, and failure to address known contamination risks. The scandal exposed severe lapses in quality control and oversight within the company. The tainted peanut butter scandal also shed light on deficiencies in the FDA's inspection and regulatory systems. Questions were raised about the agency's ability to effectively monitor and enforce food safety regulations. It was revealed that the FDA had conducted limited inspections of the PCA facility, and when issues were identified, they were not adequately followed up. This lack of oversight allowed the contamination to persist and reach consumers. The fallout from the scandal led to significant changes in food safety regulations and oversight. The FDA implemented stricter guidelines for food manufacturing facilities, emphasizing the importance of preventive measures, hazard analysis, and enhanced inspections. The Food Safety Modernization Act, signed into law in 2011, aimed to strengthen the FDA's ability to prevent and respond to foodborne illness outbreaks. The FSMA introduced requirements for preventive controls, mandatory inspections, and improved traceability of food products. The tainted peanut butter scandal served as a wake-up call for the food industry, regulators, and consumers. It highlighted the critical need for robust food safety practices, transparency in the supply chain, and effective regulatory enforcement. The incident prompted greater public awareness about the potential risks associated with foodborne illnesses and the importance of reading product labels, following recalls, and reporting suspected cases. While the tainted peanut butter scandal was a dark chapter in the food industry's history, it also spurred positive changes. The lessons learned from this event continue to shape food safety practices and regulatory measures, aiming to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. Efforts are ongoing to ensure the safety and integrity of our food supply, protect public health, and restore consumer confidence in the products they consume. Question: what was the peanut butter scandal? Answer: the peanut butter scandal refers to the 2009 outbreak of salmonella infections caused by contaminated peanut butter and peanut products produced by the Peanut Corporation of America. Question: how many people were affected by the tainted peanut butter? Answer: the outbreak affected hundreds of people across the United States, causing illness and several deaths. Question: what were the consequences of the scandal? Answer: the tainted peanut butter scandal resulted in recalls of PCA's products, lawsuits, economic losses for the peanut industry, and a significant loss of consumer trust in peanut products. Question: what were the key findings about the PCA's practices? Answer: investigations revealed that PCA engaged in unethical and unsanitary practices, including knowingly shipping peanut products that had tested positive for salmonella. The company had poor hygiene standards, inadequate processing, and failed to address contamination risks. Question: what changes were implemented after the scandal? Answer: the tainted peanut butter scandal led to stricter food safety regulations and oversight. The FDA implemented enhanced guidelines for food manufacturing facilities, and the Food Safety Modernization Act was enacted to strengthen preventive controls, inspections, and traceability of food products.